Hi guys, this is Charlie and I just want to welcome you to Builderall. I am your sponsor and I'm going to run through really quickly some tips and tricks to get you started and to get you earning some money straight away. So this is me. I am from the UK. I am married and I live in Stoke-on-Trent. So I've been working online for a few years now, and I've found that Builderall is the best and the most exciting thing to come into my life. I've done a lot of due diligence, and I will not join anything without researching it first. So yeah, I just wanted to reassure you that it is an amazing platform. Okay, so you're on the free trial. And what we can do with the free trial, I'm just going to explain what Builderall is really quickly, and I'm going to show you where your affiliate links are. So if I just go back to here, okay, so Builderall is a software platform. So if you think of website builders and sales funnels builders like WordPress and Wix and ClickFunnels, Builderall has an amazing set of tools that millions of businesses around the world can use to promote whatever they're selling. Okay, so like I say, we provide the platform for them. So I know that ClickFunnels is about $100 a month, and we are $30 a month. So it's really cheap, and you'll find it really easy to sell. So I'm just going to go to the back office, which is here. And this is what it looks like. So depending on how you've joined the business, you can go to a quick start here. And whether you want to start an affiliate business with us, whether you want to skyrocket a business you already have, or you want to start a business from scratch, these are some quick tutorials for you. But I'm going to go through today with the affiliate links and how you can start earning money with us today. Okay, so in your back office, you have these pictures here, but if you scroll down, if you click this this blue menu here and scroll down to Builderall Business, Money Making Funnels, okay, this is where you're going to find your affiliate links. Now, Builderall have done quite a few websites for you already that you can just promote. So here is your affiliate links. Now, I've connected a domain, but this you can do that at a later stage. Don't worry about that now. But you can copy these links. Okay, you can also click this blue button here, and it'll take you through to the home page, and you can also copy your links up here. Okay, so what that does, guys, is you will get if anybody clicks this link, it will put a tracking cookie on their IP. So you then, if anybody purchases from that link, you will get paid. Okay, so this link will stay active, the cookie will stay active, so if they decide to revisit the website in a few months' time, it'll still be coded to you and you will get paid. Okay, so if they don't purchase anything today, it'll still be coded to you. Okay, so make sure people are clicking your link. Okay, so don't put Builderall, the name, on your Facebook because people might just go and Google it and then they won't join under you. So So just start creating a bit of intrigue on your Facebook, and like I say, don't put the actual company name on there. You want them clicking your link. So yeah, so you can send them the link in a private message, for example. Okay, we go into a lot of Facebook training and a lot of social media training, so don't worry about that too much at the moment. But yeah, I'm just going to go through how you can start promoting today. Okay, so if you scroll down here, guys, we also have a mailing boss funnel. So this is where businesses can get unlimited emails for life for $50, and you will get 100% commission for that. So you'll get $50 per sale. Okay, so you can start sharing that straight away. This is amazing offer. A lot of email platforms charge like $50 a month, but we are doing this as $50 one-time fee. So that's a great way to start earning money. And we also have some different, just some different websites. I suggest you just go and have a look at them, see what they're all about, and you can start promoting whichever ones you want. Okay, if you go down here, guys, this is where we offer the 90-day challenge. I'm just going to show you what that looks like. Okay, so we are challenging people to make $2,000 to $4,000 a month within 90 days. So that is all the training. And that's a good place to start, but it will activate a free trial, so you might not get to see money straight away, but that's a good place to start with people who are a bit skeptical or who haven't got the money to start. Okay, so that training can be found in your Builderall Business section here. So if you go to Builderall Business, go down to training here, and the basic at the moment, as you get better, you will unlock some more training. But this is where you can find the training on that. Okay, it's free to use, guys. You can just go through it. It's all there ready and waiting for you. Okay, so yeah, let's get you making some money. I suggest you go through this as well soon as possible. Okay, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go through the pricing plans. So how it works, guys. So like I say, we are a software platform. It's amazing because it's 100% online. You can promote this to millions of people around the world. You've just got to find them, okay? And start driving traffic to your affiliate links. So we offer a simple web presence for $9.90 a month, and the digital marketing package for $29.90. Okay, if you want to become an affiliate, you will get, for an extra $20, you can get all the tools and the Builderall Business back office. Okay, but you get 100% commission for each first sale. So guys, so if somebody joins you, you will get $49, okay, $49.90. Okay, and because it's on a subscription basis per month, the next month you will get 30% of their subscription. Okay, so for the first month you'll get $49.90, and then you'll get 30% for each month after that. So if they stay on for like 12 months, 24 months, you're going to get 30% of this every month. Okay, and it's the same with the other plans as well. Okay, but it doesn't just stop there. If anybody who joins as an affiliate, you will get 30% of their activity as well. So obviously, the more people you get to join, the more they sell, you will get 30% of their income as well. So I'm just going to hop on to our income calculator. So again, on this menu, if you scroll down, I've just closed that menu. It's here, earnings calculator. So if you've sold one license, okay, can you see you get $49.90 and then you'll get 30% each month after that. Okay, so what we're going to suggest you do, guys, is try and sell 10 of the affiliate licenses, the Builderall business, and your monthly income will start jumping up. Now, if 10 of those, if all of those become an affiliate, want to sell 10 licenses each, okay, there you can see your monthly income starts to get really exciting. So all you have to do, guys, is find 10 people who want to sell Builderall, and if they sell 10 as well, then like I say, you're going to start earning some really, really exciting residual income. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you that. So yeah, have a play around with this, guys. I want you to set yourself some goals, and yeah, so obviously in the next sort of 7 days on your free trial, you know, if you can get this done in 7 days, then you're laughing really. But if you sold one, license, you will then have a free business, because that's all you need to do every month is sell one license a month, and you'll effectively have a free business. Okay, if you want to upgrade, you'll have an upgrade button at the top here. And so obviously you can upgrade at any time. If you want any more tutorials and training, it's here. And these will just go through all the tools with you. Okay, there's hundreds and hundreds of tutorials on here, guys. So obviously you can just do that as you like. And if you want to build your own sales funnel, you just go to Builders here at the top, drag and drop Pixel Perfect, and go to Sales Funnels. And all the templates are here for you to use. I'm not going to go into that now, but yeah, you can just go through that in your own time. So, all right then, guys, I'm hoping that you understand this. And if you go down to Builderall Business, Money Making Funnels, and you can start sharing your affiliate links straight away. Okay, so all right then, guys, I hope that helps, and I am here for you whenever you want. I now work from home, so I've got all the time in the world for you guys. So yeah, just reach out to me if you have any questions. You can contact me on email, you can contact me through the back office, and you can contact me through Facebook. Okay, we also have a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you do want to upgrade and say on day 29 you don't like it, then you can just contact support and you can get a full refund. Okay, we're completely transparent like that. All right then, guys, so I hope to see you on another tutorial, and I wish you every success with your business. Okay, so good luck with everything, and if you have any questions, please get in touch. All right then, guys, see you later. Good luck.